In this lesson, we will discuss enumerate function. Where we have to use enumerate function in Python, I will explain to you. So see, I have set here a variable names is equal to Muhammad, Raza, Poonam and Ali, and this is the list. And if I say, okay, what is the index of this list? So always keep in mind you have to start from 0. So Muhammad will be on 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now the question is you have to print the names of the list, and this Raza should not appear on the list. So what you have to do? So we will make a loop for I in range, and then in parentheses you have to write down 0. 0 means this is the index and it is starting from 0, that is why 0, and then we have to use the length function and names, whatever the name of the variable we have set here. So you have to write down here. If I is not 1, print names, and then in square bracket you have to write down I for index. When I will run this code, you will see that Muhammad, Poonam and Ali is there, but Raza is not there, and this was the requirement of the question, right? But see, it is a little bit time consuming, or maybe sometimes you will forget that you have to write down in a square bracket this I for index. So here I will show you how to use the enumerate function. So see the same question, and then we will see the difference between these two. Same names is equal to Muhammad, Raza, Poonam, Ali. Same question, you have to print the list, but Raza should not appear on the list. For index, this is the arbitrary variable. You can write down any variable because it is related to index. That is why I have used index. Otherwise, you can try whatever you want, comma, item in enumerate. So here you have to use enumerate after in and then the variable's name. If index is not one, same, this line is same, print only, you have to write down item. Here see names, the variable names, and in a square bracket you have to write down I. So if you are using the enumerate function, there is no need to write down index in the square bracket, only print item. And I will show you when we will run the same. Muhammad, Poonam, Ali will come up and Raza is not there. If the question is, suppose Ali should not appear on the list, then what you have to do? See, this is 0. Do not count it from 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? Do not write down 4. 3. When I will write down 3, I will show you. When we will run, Muhammad, Raza and Poonam will be there, but Ali is not here. One more example I have said for you. Fruit underscore names, apple, mango, orange, grapes and banana. And the question is, here we have to use the enumerate function. The question is, print all the names of the fruit except index 2. So 0, 1, 2. So orange, right? Orange should not appear on the list. For index, same thing, item in, after in you have to use the word enumerate and then this variable name. If index is not to, print item, and then when we will run it, you will see apple, mango, grapes, banana, orange is not there. Same thing, if suppose you say apple should not come, so what you have to write down here? Do not write down 1, always 0, right? Because indexes start from 0. So when we will print, this apple will disappear and it will start from the mango, orange, grapes and banana. Now you have to practice it. Change this variable name, whatever you like. If still any point is not clear, without any hesitation, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.